Tutorial: Secure your onboard Wi-Fi in 10 minutes. Equipment needed. Wi-Fi router or Maritime hotspot, e.g., Starlink Maritime Standard Marine Wi-Fi. Laptop or smartphone. Access to your router's admin panel, usually via a web browser. Optional USB stick or notebook to record passwords and settings. Step 1. Access your router. Connect to the Wi-Fi network you want to secure. Open your web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox. Enter the router's IP address in the address bar. Common defaults: 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Check the label on your router or the manual. Enter the administrator username and password. Defaults are often admin, or admin password. Security tip: change these if you've never done so before. Step 2. Change the network name SSID. Go to wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings. Change your network name SSID. Example: Yacht 123 Secure instead of Starlink Sororo 1. Avoid personal or identifiable names like my boat name. Save your changes. Step 3. Enable Wi-Fi encryption. In the Wi-Fi settings, find Security Encryption WPA. Select WPA3 if available, the most secure. If not, use WPA2. Avoid WEP or Open Network. These are very insecure. Create a strong password. Minimum 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. Example: Miran3 2025. Step 4. Disable insecure features. WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. Turn it off if possible. WPS can allow hackers easy access. SSID broadcast, optional. Hide the network so it's not visible publicly. Remote administration, disable access to your router from the internet. Step 5. Update router firmware. Look for firmware update or router update. Download and install the latest version. This fixes known security vulnerabilities. Step 6. Verify your network. Disconnect and reconnect using your new password. Test speed and stability. Check for unknown devices in connected devices. Extra tips: change your password regularly, every 3 to 6 months. Create a guest network for visitors, separate from your main network. Avoid unsecured devices, e.g., unprotected marine IoT devices. Use a password manager to store your passwords securely, Bitwarden, LastPass, etc. Summary: following these simple steps secures your onboard Wi-Fi from most basic attacks and intrusions. In less than 10 minutes, your devices, communications, and data are protected. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.